proudly brought to you by Hovertech. Hovertech, just a button away.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to download and install iTunes for Windows operating system. iTunes is used for synchronizing Apple devices, downloading applications, games. It is also used for backup and restore of Apple device. Also used for sending videos and music. So the first thing to do is open your browser, either Mozilla Firefox or Chrome. In this tutorial, I'm working with Google Chrome. Then type ipsw.me and hit enter. Once the page has loaded, you scroll down and click on iTunes. Here's iTunes. If you are using a Windows operating system, you click on Windows. Likewise, if you are using a Mac operating system, that's Apple operating system, you click on Mac. So I'm using Windows. I'm clicking on it. Here you can select the latest version. The latest version for iTunes is 12.7.4. If you don't need the latest version, there are a lot of versions. You can scroll down and choose the one you want to use. I'm using the latest version. I'm downloading the latest one. I'll click on it. The next step is you are going to select your PC system type, whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit. To know your operating system architecture, you can go to Start menu and click on Computer. Then click on System Properties. You see, this is my system type, 64-bit operating system. If you are using a 32-bit, then you select 32-bit. Mine is 64-bit. I'll click on 64-bit. iTunes will begin downloading. See, I'll pause this video. Once my download is complete, I'll resume it later. Once iTunes has finished downloading, if you are using Internet Download Manager, you can either drag from here and drop it on your desktop. You can also open it from here. But if you have downloaded it using your PC browser, then you can go to File Explorer. Under Download, you will find iTunes here. I have used Internet Download Manager to download it, so mine will go under Programs. Here is my iTunes setup. Then I'll right click on it and click Open to install. I'll wait for it to finish loading. Wait for it to finish loading. Then click on Next. Click on Next. Do you want to allow you give it permission? Yes. And wait for iTunes to complete installing. You see, iTunes has been installed successfully. Then click on Finish. You will be asked to restart your computer. You see, then go to Desktop. iTunes will create a shortcut on desktop. Here is iTunes. iTunes is successfully installed. Right click and click Open to open iTunes. Click on Agree to accept the software license agreement. Wait for it to finish loading. You see, iTunes is installed successfully. You can see it. Thank you for watching.